Hello traders, Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. On daily basis, live market, we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today, March 14, Tuesday market, after 10:15, we have received a sell call, so red color candle open. Sell at 39,623, that is our entry point line, that straight green color line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. 99 point first target, second target almost 200 point, above line is the stop loss line. Every day in live market, you will receive calls like this, like a signal you will receive calls. You just watch the chart, get your calls and place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading also possible in this chart. For the plan detail, package details, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp, will provide you the plan detail, so you can have some better idea about it also. That sell call generated has been continuous a bearish momentum. Due to its a good bearish momentum, in 4 minutes of sell call generated, market came to the first target range. In the fifth candle, as you can see, market break out the first target range of 39,524. A 100-point movement has been given, and that bearish momentum was continuous in bearish momentum only. Within 15 minutes of sell call generator, market break out the second target range also. Like this 200-point movement given in the entry point of the sell call after 10 o'clock. If you want this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp, will provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Every day you are going to watch a chart, get your call and place the orders. For chart subscription, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.